Hare Krishna. Wish you all a very happy new year. Normally, at such times, we make resolutions, and that's very important. At the same time, today I would like to have a more holistic approach by which we can have the positivity of the new year last. If we consider a four-quadrant diagram and we have happy on the y-axis with unhappy at the negative side of the y-axis, and we have new on the positive side of the x-axis and old on the negative side of the x-axis, then we can use the acronym LAST, LAST. So let go of that which was old and unhappy, appreciate that which was old and happy, seek that which will be new and happy, and tolerate that which will be new and unhappy. So let's look at these one by one. In the past year, some bad things may have happened to us. Maybe some relationship went south, and there's just no way to repair it now. So we just need to let go. We don't have to let those memories replay. If there is something to learn, we can learn it, but after that, let go. The Bhagavad Gita 18.35 states that it's important to not give in to lamenting, resenting, and such self-defeating thought patterns. Now, what was good in the past year, we can appreciate that. We can be grateful that we got the opportunities to do something good. Maybe we discovered a new ability, maybe we learned a new skill. We can appreciate that we got the opportunity, thank God that we got it, and we can also appreciate ourselves, not in an egoistic sense, but in the sense of encouraging ourselves that we rose to the occasion and took the opportunity. The Bhagavad Gita says in 1716 that satisfaction is not just an emotion, it's a decision. It's a decision that we need to take by consciously looking at what is right in our life so that we can appreciate it and we can build on it. Then the third quadrant is what is new and what we hope will be happy. We can seek it actively. So that's where our resolutions can come in, by which we can become better and by which we can better tap the opportunities that the new year will bring in. Say if we are expecting something positive to work out for us, then we need to solidify our determination for that. The Bhagavad Gita states that in 6.25 that it is intelligence sustained by conviction that enables us to persist in our endeavors. So therefore, let us write down our resolutions. Let us, by studying the Bhagavad Gita's wisdom, appreciate how God wants us to have a far brighter and better future than what we have right now in our present. And therefore, let us open ourselves, let us seek that better future and strengthen the conviction that will enable us to seek it not just for a few days after the new year, but steadily throughout the new year. And like every year, there will be something unexpected, undesirable, unfortunate that may happen in the new year. So that which may be unhappy, let us learn to tolerate it. That everything that comes will go. Things are temporary. Let us not get too over agitated or hyperventilating about the bad things that may happen to us. The Bhagavad Gita 2.14 tells us, just tolerate and things will pass. If we can have that higher vision that we are parts of God and God, Krishna, has a part for each one of us in His plan, and we focus more on His plan than on our own pleasure and displeasure in terms of what is happening, and that can open us to not just tolerating but transcending the negativity that may come in our life. We can fill our consciousness with something stimulating and fulfilling and thereby leave no room for negativity. Thus, let us make our New Year's positivity last by letting go of that which is old and unhappy, by appreciating that which is old and happy, by seeking what will be new and happy, and by tolerating what may be new and unhappy. Thank you.